In a world where every move matters, innovation drives success. Introducing the STILL ECH 15, brought to you by Industrial EquipSol Limited. The STILL ECH 15 is a small but strong machine. It weighs only 180 kilograms, but can lift heavy loads from 500 to 1,500 kilograms. This makes it useful for demanding work. Always ready for action. Thanks to an optional replacement battery that maximizes uptime, its durable, sturdy frame and powerful, low-maintenance drive motor guarantee top performance day after day. Stay in command. Real-time battery status, operating hours, all at your fingertips. Maneuver with mastery. The electric drive and easy grip tiller deliver effortless control for every operator, left or right-handed. Speed meets precision. Rated lift, 115 millimeters. Top speed, 5.5 kilometers per hour. Maximum performance, minimum effort. The ECH 15. Innovation in motion. Available now from Industrial EquipSol Limited. Contact us today. Dial 0171 346 9965 or visit our website www.iesl-bd.com.